Good morning, students. Now we are going to continue the soils in India. Now here, soil erosion. You know that what do you know about the soils erosion? It means that fertile or top soils which are removed by the process of water, wind and human activities. This is called for the soil erosion. Now some example of the soil erosion. Firstly, soil erosion by the wind. Now here that is sheet erosion. It occurs on gentle slopes and it is the slow removal of thin layer of the soils. When the vegetation is destroyed or rainwater wash away the thin layer of bare soils. Now rail erosion, when the sheet erosion continues for long time period and it is the intermediate stage between the sheet erosion and the gully erosion, that is known as rill erosion. And here due to the gully erosion, how the gully erosion is responsible for the soil erosion? Gully erosion removes the nutrients which are present in the soils and heavy load of loose soils, making the soils unproductive. Now leaching, it is also the process how the soils is erodes now. After the harvesting, farmers leave the soils bare for the same time. So during the rainfall, the nutrition in the soils are leached or percolate below due to the heavy rainfall. Soil erosion due to the human action in India. Now, firstly, due to the overgrazing. Secondly, peoples are constructing more and more houses. Thirdly, peoples are doing the wrong agriculture. Now here, like topography, northeastern part of India like Shivalik and the hilly regions in South India are affected by the soil erosion because steep slopes and heavy rainfall. So during the heavy rainfall, soils are washed away by running water. Now deforestation, it is also responsible by the human because humans destroy the forest and they cutting the trees and it is also affect the soil erosion. Some reasons of the soil erosion, it means here I show you now the regular soils area of Maharashtra, the dry area of Rajasthan, Gujarat and the Chota Nagpur plateau regions. How we prevent from the soil erosion and what we have to be need? Firstly, terrace farming. On the hilly slopes, terraces act as a bunds and prevent the soil from the being washed by the running water. And this is the process how we have to be conserve our soil from the soil erosion. Now, second point is shelter belt. Farmers plants trees in the several rows to check wind erosion. Thirdly, contour type of plowing. This is also cause for the prevent from the soil erosion. Traces are labeled into steep like small fields with even slopes. And strip cropping, construction of the dams. So mainly if you made the rivers cause soil erosion, but dams are built in the upper course of river and to control soil erosion. Planting more and more trees. Now need for the soil conservation because all the plants and the vegetation dependable only on the productive soils. If soils are unfertile, then there is no growing of the trees and it is also affecting to our agriculture. Soil conservation scheme in India, a scheme for reclamation and development of ravine areas was launched in 1987-88 in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. Now basically soils are very important to grow the crops for agriculture purpose. Secondly, it provides the oxygen. Thirdly, soils also reduce the areas where the unfertility is more, and they helping to grow natural vegetations. Now in India, national project on development and like the biofertilizer and national project on the quality control were implemented during the 7th 5-year plan. In urban areas, rainwater harvesting is means of checking soil erosion and beside recharging the groundwater. So it is important in India that we need the conserve our soils, and it is in the form of the one of natural resource.